Okay, so the storm that hit me, it was pretty intense. And now we have another SMW.
At 3:34 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line
Oh my.
7 nautical miles northwest of New Haven Harbor to near Norwalk Island to near Oyster Bay Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Goodness,
Source,
wow.
radar indicated.
My God.
Small craft could be damaged and briefly
Bruh, double header SMW from Mount Holly.
Strong thunderstorms will be near Cold Spring Harbor, Huntington Bay, Oyster Bay Harbor, Penfield Reef, Bridgeport, mouth of the Housatonic River, and New Haven Harbor around 3:40 p.m. Smithtown Bay and Stratford Shoal around 3:45 p.m. Port Jefferson Harbor around 3:55 p.m. The Thimbles around 4 p.m. Faulkner Island and Madison Reef around 4:10 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. High waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If currently both in water state the National Weather Service from
What? That makes no sense. Whoa, it caught off.
Coastal waters from Sandy Hook.
Bruh, they went off on a recognized message? That's stupid, bruh. They always do that stuff.
3:34 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles west of Fort River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Marmaget Light, Shark River Reef, Seaside Park, Marmaget Light Reef, Pine Beach, Silverton, Fort River, and Long Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
This is going to continue to be the corridor of strongest winds, and that's moving right over towards Southbridge right now in Hartford.
The National Weather Service in upstate New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern New Jersey, southeastern